KOTG is bringing Circus back to North Kensington this summer, starting on June the 19th at Blossomdale Green, next to the Westway Sports Centre. We will teach in 2 age groups, and young people will learn new skills such as aerial, acro, hoop, dance, poi and juggling. Circus School will be every Saturday all through the summer, and there's more. KOTG will be working with some exciting special guest partners and giving our Circus School participants the chance to attend and perform at multiple events across RBKC. They will also have the chance to gain an arts award. Come fly with us. Come dance with us. Register now at info@kidsonthegreen.com.